Hello my friends and welcome to the jewelry channel. I have two packages to open today. One I'm quite excited about. It looks to be a pretty unique piece, and you know I love unique pieces because who wants to wear the same thing as their best friend or neighbor for that matter? And then when someone really appreciates the piece and they give a compliment and they say, oh, where can I buy one of those? Your answer has to be, I'm sorry, but it's a pretty unique piece. You'd have to have it custom made. Boy, this is wrapped well. Here we go. Let's see, my friends. Let's see what this box contains. Oh, yet more tissue paper. Let's find out. Oh, here we go, finally. Look at how precious. Oh, a little on the smaller side, quite dear. This is a pendant. I'm gonna flip it over so you can see. There's an integrated bail, so your chain goes through the side. And one thing I have to say, I'm pleased with the width of the bail. I was afraid this would look more like a slide, but the great thing is you'll be able to put any chain on and switch it out depending on your mood. So what we have is an 18 karat white gold X pendant covered in diamonds. Just look at those babies. Are they beautiful or what? 0.26 carats in total weight gives us just above a quarter carat. And quite lovely indeed. There's a lot of sparkle. How sweet. Well, I'm a fan. I hope you are. Let's see what's in our next package. Let's see. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, now I'm not sure what to say about these. They are called earring jackets. They are 14 karat yellow gold set with genuine rubies. Look at how sweet. Now, these holes at the top, you actually slide a gold post through, and then your earring jacket, at least in this piece, hangs below. I think that is quite lovely. The rubies have some really pretty color. I like that. They look to be in really great shape. Well, let's bring these back into fashion. Not that they ever left, you just don't see many. Well, that was our bonus piece for today. Thank you for joining me to unbox my favorite pretties, and I hope you'll tune back again for more unboxing. Bye-bye.